Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your TC app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications here, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notification categories here. So you come here to receive discovery here. Just click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's me receive discovery notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.